What you're about to witness will redefine resurrection. Buried by time, a legend sleeps. But some stories refuse to be forgotten. This is not merely a restoration. It is the rebirth of an icon. Each layer of rust, a chapter of a life once lived. Brought into the sanctuary, its second chance begins. A master craftsman assesses the dormant machine. To rebuild, one must first deconstruct. With methodical patience, the engine's heart is exposed. Every screw and bolt, a memory of the road. The careful process of unmaking begins. Each component is respectfully set aside. The mechanical soul is stripped bare, piece by piece. A delicate dance of tools and experience. The deconstruction continues, revealing the bike's core structure. The final parts of the engine are removed. The fuel tank, a vessel of past journeys, is lifted away. Years of neglect are systematically dismantled. The controls, once held by a rider, are now in the hands of the restorer. The gauges that once marked speed and distance are silenced. A systematic stripping of every non-essential element. Modern tools meet vintage steel. The complex web of wires and controls is untangled. Meticulous attention is paid to every connection. The headlamp, the eye of the machine, is carefully removed. Faded turn signals, witnesses to countless turns, are uninspired. The handlebars are stripped completely bare. The cluster of gauges is finally detached. The front end is reduced to its skeletal form. The process moves along the body, removing panels and covers. The rear section is disassembled with the same precision. With the last component removed, the bike is fully unmade. Now, the focus shifts from deconstruction to restoration. The rear fender, marked by time, is prepared for its renewal. Each part is carefully inspected and further disassembled. A close examination reveals the hidden work that is required. Every small mechanism is checked for integrity. Attention turns to the rear wheel assembly. The chain guard and wheel are methodically detached from the frame. The grit and grime of ages are wiped away. The frame itself begins to receive meticulous attention. Each fitting is tested and assessed. The process is a blend of disassembly and immediate repair. A second craftsman, a master of his trade, joins the effort. His focus is the front wheel, a critical component. With the wisdom of experience, he works with steady hands. The front fork assembly is carefully reassembled. Now, the transformation of the metal itself begins. Old, worn parts are painstakingly removed from the core frame. Sparks fly, forging a new future from the fragments of the past. The purification process starts. The gas tank, a canvas of decay, awaits its restoration. The skeletal frame is laid out, prepared for its rebirth. With aggressive force, the rust is stripped away. The metal's true surface begins to emerge. Each section is methodically scoured clean. The exhaust pipe undergoes the same intense purification. Even the smallest detail, the Suzuki logo, is tended to. The grinder's wheel erases the imperfections of time. A slow, patient process of revealing the beauty beneath. No part is overlooked in this quest for perfection. The suspension components are also renewed. Attention returns to the wheels. The old hardened tire is pried from the rim. The inner tube, the hidden core of the wheel, is removed. A delicate operation to separate rubber from steel. The wheel hub is disassembled. Power tools remove the last stubborn components. The tire is wrestled off the rim. Finally, the rim is bare, ready for renewal. The grinding process begins again, this time on the rims. Then, a transformative step. Under intense pressure, the metal is returned to its pristine state. The fenders are polished to a mirror shine. A painstaking process of buffing and refining the surface. The reflection that emerges is a testament to the dedication The damaged exhaust is inspected for surgery. Damaged sections are precisely cut away. And with fire and new metal, it is made whole again. The art of welding, joining the old with the new. The final weld is inspected for strength and beauty. The fresh seams are ground smooth. The fractured gas tank is sealed with a bead of fire. The glowing scar of the weld signifies a healed wound. Careful, precise welds restore the tank's integrity. The new seams are smoothed, erasing all evidence of the repair. The canvas is now clean, the parts reborn and ready. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel DT Restoration for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.